Today, we bring you the highlights of our school Invest Teacher ceremony, a day of honor, pride, and responsibility when the torch of leadership is passed on to our young leaders.
आखिर वो पल आ ही गया जिसका हमें पल पल बड़ी बेसब्री से इंतजार था क्योंकि जोरदार गड़गड़ाहट से स्वागत करते
The ceremony began with the soulful recitation of Gita chanting, filling the air with the devotion and positivity.
हरे नमः श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः श्रीभगवानुवाच ऊर्ध्वमूलं अधःशाखम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य नमो भगवती मा सरस्वती कर सकूं हम मनुज सेवा मूर्ति देव सितारने जाति धर्म से रज हो हम मायरू व्यवहारने अज्ञानता का कांड काटी ज्ञान की पूजारने पढ़ लिखी हम अग्नि बढ़ता श्रेष्ठ बुद्धि अपारने नमो भगवती माँ सरस्वती त्रिगुणमाय कठोर काया मन मसूच विचार दे क्षम दया मन मावड़ों का आदर सत्कार दे हे हंस वाहिनी सरस्वती भव से
And now came one of the proudest moments, the announcement of the school cabinet of prefects for the session. The newly elected leaders were called on stage to receive their badges and certificate. The school captain Muskan Nageshwari, the vice captain Dolly Kathil, the vice captain Ayush Meena, and the cultural secretary Harshita Chawal.
Dolly Cathal, do hereby solemnly pledge that I will carry out the duties of
Following this, it was time for the house-wise cabinet announcement, beginning with Ashoka House. The house captain Bhavesh Tiraya, the house vice captain Nitya Malviya, senior prefect Aditi Singh Chauhan, prefect Palak Meena, and junior prefect Manvendra Singh, sub-junior prefect A.K.T.
Do hereby solemnly pledge that I will carry out and respectful to my superiors, trusted tolerant to my colleagues and juniors, and loyal to them all. I, Golden Benjamin, in all matters,
I do hereby invest Bhavish Taraiya, class 12, with the rank of House Captain of Ashok House and charge you and your team to honor the pledge you have just taken.
And a disciplined child. Vice Captain.
Moving on, the names of the Shivaji House cabinet were announced and they too were honored on stage. The house captain Kajal Guru, the house vice captain Priyanshi Chauhan, the senior prefect Shelly Aharwal, prefect Akshita Purvia, junior prefect Atharv Dubey, sub-junior prefect Jigyasa Arora.
Priyashri loves dancing. She is fond of videography. She is a resilient and has a winsome personality. She wants to become graphic designer. Senior prefect She loves to explore new things and fond of trekking. She aspires to become a company.
After this, our adorable tiny tots lit up the stage with their colorful dance performance, spreading cheer all around.
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा।
Sub Junior Prefect Bhavya Pathak.
I, Satyavati, Gandhi Gupta, Vishwata, Sachi Meena, do hereby solemnly pledge that I will carry out the duties of Captain of Class, Senior Prefect, faithfully, truthfully, and
Captain of Subhash House. I request sir to kindly invest her.
I do hereby invest Sabira Parveen, class 12, with the rank of House Captain of Subhash House, and charge you and your team to honor the pledge we have just taken.
Upholds the values of discipline. She is a very indomitable girl. She holds certificates and prizes in NCC, Byju's and Lions Club. She aspires to be a chartered accountant. Senior Prefect Sanvi Gupta. She is an excellent debater.
Following the performance, the Tilak House Cabinet was announced with the equal pride and honor. The House Captain Mahi Kushwaha, the House Vice Captain Praveen Tambulkar, the Prefect Pavni Songwane, the Junior Prefect Vedant Chauhan, the Sub Junior Prefect Saurabh Verma.
Painting. She got many prizes in several exhibitions, also exhibition creative spectrum. She aspires to Praveen is a sincere student. He got first prize in school exhibition, in drawing competition, and he dreams to become a company secretary. Her first prize in drawing competition held at Ambedkar Bhavan. First prize in Geeta chanting competition. Her hobbies are dancing and singing.
Then our school captain Muskan Nageshwari came forward to deliver an inspiring speech motivating her fellow students with words of confidence and determination.
Respected teachers, distinguished guests, dear parents, and my fellow students, good morning to one and all. Standing here today as the newly elected school captain of Vikram Higher Secondary School, it is not just an honor, it's also a big responsibility. On behalf of all my council members, I would like to take this moment to express a heartfelt gratitude. First of all, I would like to thank God for blessings and showing me the path of wisdom and deliberation. Secondly, I would like to thank our principal and Chandrasekhar sir for giving us this encouragement means a lot. Your faith in us is like a reminder that leadership is not about power, but about service. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. We promise to live up to the expectations you have, Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Ragini Srivastava, teachers and mentors, who have always been our backbone. Whatever we achieve today is because of your constant support, advice, and motivation. We assure you that we will work hard to make our school proud. I would also like to thank my parents who have been every step of the way. Without their blessings, I wouldn't be here. To the organizing team, thank you for your tireless.
The event concluded with the heartfelt speeches of Principal Sir and the guest of honor, who shared their blessing and guided the student towards the bright future.
Welcome you all to today's function investor ceremony. I would like to take an opportunity to welcome today's chief guest, Sri Abraham Patel ji, GMSCR, President Vehicle Shiksha Mandal. Sir, first of all, I express my sincere thanks to you for accepting our invitation and sparing your valuable time. In a short span of time, you initiated many of the things in BSL for the development of BSL. One line I would like to tell, you develop the confidence in the teachers. Yes, our BSM institutes are also, someone is taking care and we will get good days. So this is a big achievement. I request every one of you, please give a round of applause.
I've seen a lot of Jews, HOI, principal, assistant faculty, my BSM colleagues, proud parents, administrators, and dear students of Vikram Higher Secondary School. It is an immense honor to stand before you today as the chief guest at this prestigious investiture ceremony for the academic year 2025-26. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the school management for inviting me to witness this remarkable celebration of leadership, responsibility, and the vibrant spirit of the institution. Today, we gather to celebrate a defining moment in your school's journey, a moment where young minds are entrusted with the mantle of leadership. To the newly elected student council members, head boy, head girl, house captains, vice captains, prefects, and all those stepping into the roles of responsibility, again congratulations to all. You are not just a student today, you are the torch bearer of this great Vikram Higher Secondary School.
And with that, the investiture ceremony came to a graceful end. It was indeed a memorable day where responsibility were entrusted and leadership was celebrated.